guys are together?
No.
Me and her. I'm just checking.
Hey, you never know about this place. It is a cruise.
This guy loves to talk.
Huh?
This guy.
Always gotta have a comedian in the bunch.
Buy me a beer. That's
He watches news too much. He's trying to be on time. You know, to deliver the news. That's why it's not Jamaican. Jamaicans don't watch the news. They listen to it. It's on the radio.
I know we don't want to get too close to the RIP group, but try to make enough room for the VIP thing,
They do the same thing every time. They try to turn our friends against us. And at the end of the day, we have to save you.
What?
You should unsubscribe from this team.
subscribe.
Unsubscribe.
To?
This team. You should subscribe to this team, unsubscribe from that one.
Get your gloves on.
Huh?
Get your gloves on.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I wasn't here to pick you. If I was here, you'd be...
I got them 40 seconds. Okay.
Sometimes seconds are good. That's where you see the
harder
true need of love. You know,
One.
Seconds.
Alright, keep them on, alright?
Okay.
So we don't have this.
Okay.
Sit.
She's slow.
Okay,
Don't
hold
think
on
about
to
it.
here, right?
Sit.
It's just like marriage. You have to take the lead.
Benny. Come on, boy. Yo, no son, no should have over this already, by right.
I lost my this one.
Yeah, but me just say. Yeah, Richie.
I'm in over. We can't open this again.
Richie, what Richie have like a theme group.
Man, talk, man. Satan.
Whoop! Then there's someone wanting to go to
Satan.
Alright, yeah, boss. Sit.
Last one, that Vernon.
Last one, this a come cross, here. Go, go, legs up, bend your knees up. Oh, shit.
Good job.
Well, I knew that was coming. I didn't want to hit a tree like last time.
Not today. That's a tour guide. You're good.
Keep the gloves on.